Curious about retractable window screens? Get ready, this is exactly what you've been looking for. Retractable window screens, built right into your windows, clean, hidden, smart, and built for your lifestyle. There when you need it, gone when you don't. Invisible. Fresh air in, bugs out.
So this is our Serene window screen. You simply operate it by pulling it down. Now the sleek design is available in 10 different colors, and it can be mounted either on the interior or on the exterior. And the powder-coated surfaces make it very durable if you're going to be mounting on the exterior of your home. The Serene window screen has a couple different components to it. You've got a two-piece housing up above that has this radius to it, this curve. And then you have a side track on both the left-hand side and the right-hand side. And then you have the pull bar, which you pull down to deploy your screen. And then you actually have the mesh itself. And those are the components of the Serene window screen. So there's a number of options available on the Serene screen. First, the housing and the tracks and these toolbar are available in 10 standard colors. You also have 50 tier 2 colors that are available, as well as 10 wood grain surfaces as well. The different types of screen material that are available, you could do insect screen, no-see-um insect screen for the Florida residents. You also have sun control fabrics to block the sun, and total blackout screens where you need blackout of the sun, like in bedrooms and in nurseries. Once your screens are installed, it's very easy to operate. You simply grab the pull bar from above, draw it down, and down in the bottom of the tracks is a catch that it latches to. And if you want to retract your screen back up to the housing, it's real simple. You just pull that towards you and it retracts back up to the housing. Now, if you're on the shorter side like me, or you have real tall windows, we have an extension wand that allows you to grab the window from above if it's a real tall window or you're having a tough time grabbing the full. Our customers have found a variety of different uses for this product. One of those uses are the windows that go from the kitchen out to the lanai. The pass-through windows, usually there's a countertop. Oftentimes they'll install a Serene screen to keep the bugs out from inside the home. The second area that we see a lot of these being used is in nurseries and in areas where you want no sun whatsoever, so it's easy for the child to sleep. The third area that they're frequently used is on casement windows that crank out. Instead of having those kind of dirty screens always in place on the inside of your home, you simply retract them up and then pull them down when you want to use it, and you can enjoy that beautiful views of Southwest Florida. And then the final area that we see a lot of use of this product is actually in condominiums and assisted living multifamily properties that have crank-out windows, hopper windows they're referred to, and they're often used in cases of in condominiums and in assisted living properties. That's really the use of the screen. If you'd like more information, you can check us out online. Thanks so much, and good day.